The next question, there are reports coming in that the Telecom Ministry has asked private mobile phone makers to preload a government-owned cybersecurity app before selling phones. Now, this is for the security of customers all around the country. Has that been done? Have the directions been issued? And what exactly is the expectation?
So all of this ties in with the security of the customers. So Sanchar Saathi portal and the Sanchar Saathi app has done a yeoman service. And let me say this on television with you. And let me thank our consumers also, because the success of this could not have been possible unless there was a Jan Bhagidari approach. And it is due to that Jan Bhagidari approach that we've been able to protect our consumers. This is a step in that very direction. If you're able to load this on, then if I lose my phone, immediately that app is on my phone, which I can then register and make sure that my phone is not used by any fraudulent individual. It's a step to protect the consumers at the end result. If they have lost their phone, they can then locate their phone in a much quicker way. And we've got many stories we've traced almost 7.5 lakh phones, recovered almost about 6.5 lakh phones through this portal. And therefore, this will be a step in for customers to be able to help themselves from a security perspective.
So is this mandatory, and by when do they have to comply, all phone makers in the country?
I believe that this is being issued in the next couple of days, and it will give people time to be able to adopt it.